Welcome to Zoar Valley. We are so excited to go and check out this spectacular gorge, and there's a creek that runs through the middle of the gorge. It looks absolutely beautiful from the photos that I've seen online, and I'm really excited to go and see it in person. I heard that Zoar Valley was one of the most amazing places to go for a hike in the region, so I had pretty high expectations. The trail began at the top of the gorge, and at first the descent felt like a fairly typical walk through the woods. We had no idea the beauty that awaited us below. As we reached the valley floor, the forest seemed to shift. The trees felt taller, the atmosphere more enchanting. Zoar Valley is truly special, home to over 600 acres of old-growth forest. Some of the largest trees in the Northeast grow here. Standing among them, it's impossible not to feel small. At last we could hear the sound of rushing water, though the creek itself remained hidden. You might be tempted to leave the trail in search of it, but patience pays off. The path eventually leads to a natural dead end at the water's edge, where you're rewarded with truly breathtaking views. And I've never seen a view quite like this one before. The trail ends at the creek bed, and you can walk along the creek itself, and there's these tall gorge walls all around you with really interesting rock formations. This is where the main and south branches of Cattaraugus Creek come together, carving out one of the region's most dramatic landscapes. Zoar Valley is one of the steepest gorges in western New York, with some of its cliffs rising as high as 500 feet. The layered rocky walls are made of ancient siltstone and shale. They're especially incredible to view right down by the creek. Our walk along the water quickly became our favorite part of the experience. We followed the edge of the creek, carefully walking across dry patches of land beside the towering cliffs. If you're planning to venture into the water, we highly recommend bringing water shoes. It's all part of the fun and adventure. Zoar Valley offers a one-of-a-kind experience where raw natural beauty and rugged terrain unite for an unforgettable day outdoors.